How to fix Roblox error 268 on mobile device. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, in order to fix this issue, let's go ahead and open up our Play Store. And here search for Roblox. If you see update instead of play or open, then tap on update and update your Roblox app. Once you do so, head over to your settings, then scroll below onto apps, and here again search for Roblox. At this app info page, scroll below and under usage, you will see storage. Tap onto it and delete the data. Before that, make sure that you know all your credentials, then tap on delete. Now come back, then tap on force stop and tap on OK. Once you do all that, see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then long tap onto your Roblox application and uninstall it from your device and reinstall it again from your Play Store or your App Store, and that will definitely fix your issue. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.